Hi everyone, David Lewis here, and I'm going to share with you an obstacle that we all get daily when we do our meet and greet with people on the lot. And that obstacle is the customer stating, is it okay if I walk around by myself? Now, a couple of things. First of all, you have to understand, why are they making the statement? Well, they're making the statement out of fear, out of apprehension. See, they're afraid. They're afraid of you, the salesperson, and they should be afraid of you because your job is to sell them a car and sell them a car today. And you're a professional salesperson and they're not professional buyers. So, you have two choices in this situation. Number one is you can pressure them. You can start throwing questions at them and statements by asking them, what are they looking for? What's their budget? I want to spend time with you. I'll show you all the cars. I can answer your questions. And all that's doing is reaffirming their fear and apprehensions of why they made that statement. Or the second thing is you can release their defensive posture. And how would I release their defensive posture? By taking away the reason to buy today, that I understand they're not going to buy today. So I would simply say, that's great. Listen, you know what? You don't have to buy a car today, do you? And most will say, no, we're not buying a car today. And I would respond with, fantastic. That actually takes all the pressure off of both of us. Why don't we use today as simply an informational gathering event? Let's look at some cars. If you see anything you like, let's sit inside of them. If you want to take one or two for a drive, we can. And then before you leave, I'd be happy to give you some pricing and any information you want to take home to think about and consider throughout your shopping process. So, were you leaning more towards a new or used car? And now I have lowered their defensive posture. But I need to make a disclaimer here. Am I still going to ask them to buy the car at the end of this process? Absolutely. But not until, first, their defensive postures have come down. Second, they have found a car that they love. Third, they like me. And fourth, they want to do business at our dealership. Most people are going to forget what you said 2 hours previously because now you've earned the right to ask for the sale. So, don't be afraid. Encourage it. I like when people say, is it okay if I walk around by myself? Because it allows me that opportunity to make a statement that lowers their defensive posture and allows me to spend some time with them. Give it a try. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised at the results.
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.